Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Costway portable air conditioner is running but not blowing cold air, it can be really confusing because the unit seems to be working, yet the cooling just isn't there. This kind of issue usually builds up over time and can be caused by airflow restrictions, incorrect settings, or internal factors that reduce cooling efficiency. Many users immediately think the AC is faulty, but in reality, most of these problems are linked to simple things that are easy to fix if you check them one by one. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to restore proper cooling so your AC starts blowing cold air again. Try these. 1. Set the AC to cooling mode and lower the temperature to the desired level. 2. Remove and clean the air filter to improve airflow. 3. Check the exhaust hose and make sure it is properly connected and not blocked. 4. Close all doors and windows to prevent warm air from entering the room. 5. Turn off the unit for a few minutes and restart it to reset the system. 6. Place the AC in a well-ventilated area away from heat sources for better performance.